Hong Kong Shenzhen, ito po, Hong Kong Macau. For Hong Kong Macau, wala pong visa. For all the itinerary, wala po siyang visa. So, in Hong Kong, and then day 1, Hong Kong, and then we have optional tours. Of course, Hong Kong have optional tours for 140 for Disneyland. I am encouraging you, if there are passengers who want Hong Kong Disneyland, better po na i-book nyo na po siya before po sila umalis. Kasi minsan po, iniisip po ng mga agent na pagdating po nila doon, pwede po silang bumili. Pero po minsan po, full na po siya. Very, very, hard to get ticket for Hong Kong Disneyland. Since ngayong June is also holiday po. Ang magiging ticket po, first time, like what I have experienced last month, meron pong pasahero na, may agent po na nakalimutan niya sabihin na, sige, doon na lang kayo sa tour guide bumili. Parang, huwag na sa akin, pagdating nyo na lang doon. Parang nasabihan po siya na, doon na lang po sa tour guide. Pagdating po nila doon, sold out na po yung day na Hong Kong na yun. So, gumawa po kami ng paraan. Siyempre, nakakawa po twins parang anak ng doktor. But they paid $290 for the Hong Kong Disneyland. So, better po, double po. Better po, if some passenger po want to experience Hong Kong Disneyland optional tour, mag-book na po kayo right away. So pagdating po nyo doon, on the day of the optional tour, they will just scan their passport and meron na po silang ticket. So hindi na po and then 10 po, supposed to be 10 po, ay pwede na pong mag-book. If ever po. Yun po, ano na po tayo, 10 packs po. And then we have to also collective po, from the collective agents po, pwede po yun. Para po clear lang po make sure po pag may gusto mag-Disneyland, please book right away before their departure. Huwag po yung doon po sila mag-book kasi po mahihirapan po sila bumili ng ticket. Okay.
Hello po, good morning again. For this one, I would like to introduce our Beijing package po. We use 3 airline po, Philippine Airlines, Air China, and of course, Cebu Pacific po. Para po kasi may mga clients po tayo na ayaw gumamit ng ganitong airline. So we have 3 choices po para sa mga client natin na prepare po nila ng airline na gamitin. So for this one po, meron po tayong required down payment. Say for example po, for the Philippine Airline package natin, na Beijing, ang required down payment niya po is $200 USD, while for the Air China, the down payment required po is $300 USD, and for the Cebu Pacific po is $200 USD. However, for the agent commission po, the agent commission for this 3 package po is $50 USD per pax. And of course, the tipping fee po is $5 USD per day po yun. And for the single supplement naman po, we accept solo traveler po. However, for solo traveler po, need to pay single supplement. Meaning po, si passenger po ay magsosolo sa room po. Walang share. So, kailangan niya lang po na mag-pay ng single supplement po. And the single supplement rate, depende po siya sa day po. We have normal days and we have peak seasons. So, makikita naman po natin yung rate for the single supplement sa detailed itinerary po natin. And for the, of course, we have optional tour din po. For, say for example po, sa Beijing po natin, ang optional tour po natin dito is Universal Studio po. And naka-indicate naman po sa flyers natin yung rate po for optional tour. And under po ng Beijing package po natin, meron po tayong ditong group visa. And for the group visa po, ang rate po niya is $50 USD per pax po yun. And for the group visa po, just like what Ma'am Shella said po, kapag kailangan po ma-under ng custom po or sa immigration, kailangan po sunod-sunod po yung name na naka-indicate po doon sa group visa natin.
So, ito na po yung sa group visa, para po lang clear. For the group visa, we just normally get 2x2 picture with white background and the passport only. So, kung ayaw po mahirapan ng pasahero na mag-apply for individual, they can book with us for the group visa. But since I think Davao is very cheap, right, ma'am? I think medyo mura lang po ang group visa dito. I mean, individual, because in Manila, we collect 3,500 up for individual. And there are so many documents you have to give us for the individual. So, some of the passengers, wala po silang ganon. So, we recommend to get group visa. So, for the group visa, only passport. And then, scanned passport po tayo. Hindi po yung pinictura na passport. Scanned passport po, and 2x2 picture. Kung pwede po, wala pong mga jewelries, and then labas po yung tenga. Parang Korea visa po. Ganun po. 2x2 picture, white background na po. Very, very easy. And for this group visa, actually, may mga little disadvantages lang po. For example po sa airport, we have to wait for everyone. Yun lang po. For individual, you can just check in and then go to the immigration in the Philippines, and then from the China, when you go to Beijing airport, dire-diretso rin po kayo. But again, for the group visa, this is what we have to do. We have to follow by names po. And then also for check-in. For Philippines po, okay lang po. We have airport assist always. Lahat po ng departure namin, we have airport assist. Our airport assist staff stays 5 hours before your flight. So normally, kinukuha po namin yung number ng pasahero. So just to make things clear po, kinukuha po namin ang number ng pasahero for the airport lang po. We are, clarification, we are purely B2B. We don't get walk-in passengers. We are not B2C. So, kinukuha po namin ang number ng pasahero. Bakit po? Tinatawagan po ng airport staff namin 3 days before the flight. Nasasabihin po niya, ako po si Kim, ako po si Patrick, makikita niyo po ako sa airport 5 hours before the flight. So, nandito po ako, nakatayo po ako, and our airport assist, of course, we will assist you in the counter area. And when you have group visa, the number 1 po in the list should be there. Should be there po. Kailangan po niya nandun. Usually po, yung number 1 list po, ginagawa namin, minimake sure po namin na hindi siya ma-offload. Kailangan po frequent traveler na po siya. Kasi bakit po? Bakit po? This is the disadvantage. Kapag na-offload po yung number 1, lahat po, cancel po. So, yun po yung ano niya. So, every time po na, usually po ako, lagi po ako sumasama, usually po, your 8, kayo po, sumasama po kayo. So, if you have group, we put your name in the number 1 list.
Pag ma-upload lahat, anong gagawin niyo?
Yun, wala po.
You're going to return the money?
Of course, we have to do something about it.
Yeah.
Hindi po kami pwedeng walang gawin. Hindi po namin pwedeng pabayaan ang mga pasahero namin. So, every time po na may nangyayari, sa lahat po ng mga group visa, we make sure na we also have something to do kapag may mga ganun isa. But, I'm very happy because we have no record of offloading. Since we will make sure na nandun po yung unang-unang pasahero. But, for example, yung pangalawang pasahero po, nagkasakit, hindi po siya makakapunta. Okay lang po yun. Basta po yung number 1, hindi po siya
Question.
Yes po.
I usually bring groups from Zhuhai to yung Macau to Zhuhai.
Yes.
Itong arrival nyo is very late in the evening.
Yes, sir.
Zhuhai is the one of the busiest airports sa immigration.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a special lane there na hindi magpila ang pasahero?
Oh, yes, sir.
Very
Usually
good.
po, when you go to Macau border, group visa have different
May special lane
Yes,
na
sir.
hindi doon
Magka-
magpila sa mga
alam na po
kasama.
nila yon ng mga immigration officer.
Yes.
Kapag alam po nila na sinabi niyo po na group visa,
Yes.
we have group visa, tatawagin na po kayo.
Kasi
And then,
minsan,
opo.
na-experience ko takbuhan yan.
Hindi po. They will not be allowed
ng
to
immigration.
run. Opo.
Tapos, late na in the evening. Siyempre, of course, the Chinese immigration, ano na mga ulo nila yan. Hangin sa ulo. Ano? So, kahit boarding kayo, minsan doon kayo pila. In a few minutes, takbo na naman kayo doon na naman ang pila.
But
So,
sir,
dapat meron
for the
kayong
immigration,
tao.
for the immigration itself po, very, very strict po. ang
Yeah, I
mga,
know.
ano,
Pero dapat,
officer.
kailangan meron kayong tao doon or escort na mag-facilitate everything. Because, siyempre, ang mga pasahero, may mga bata, may mga
Yes.
matanda, di ba?
Ito po yung, sir, yung nangyayari sa itinerary. When you go, for example, you go to Macau, Manila to Macau,
Yeah.
there will be the tour guide.
Yes.
Siyempre po, yung tour guide po, sasalubungin kayo sa exit. And then,
Okay.
after
Ako.
exit po, sasamahan niya po kayo hanggang sa makapila po kayo doon sa
Kasi
border po ng
98 pa ako dyan nagadala ng grupo from
Opo,
Macau
yes.
to Zhuhai na yan. So
1998,
alam ko
sir.
yan. Yan, hindi ka pa pinanganak,
Opo.
yan ako.
Sir, pinanganak na ako. Grabe naman kayo,
Oh,
sir.
so
Mukha lang ako
I
ano,
wanted
19 years old.
to ano lang the new agents
Yes, sir.
so that they will know what is the scenario
Yes,
later
sir.
there. Kasi hindi lang kailangan magbenta ka ng
Yes.
package.
Opo.
Itong Macau, Hong Kong na to,
Macau,
late in the
Macau,
evening na to.
Opo.
Sabihan ko kayo, pagdating nyo sa hotel, 2 o'clock in the morning
Yes,
na yan.
yes, yes.
Or
Tama
later
po,
pa.
tama po si sir.
Dahil yung immigration procedure dyan, grabe masyado. Unless escortan nyo ang grupo or may escort kayo.
Opo.
Yan, okay.
Actually po, yun po yung scenario. Katulad ko po, sometimes I go with a passenger. So I'm explaining to everyone from Manila to Macau, for example, entering Macau, there will be a tour guide already in the exit. After that po, she will wait for all the passenger or he will wait for all the passenger and then magpipicture lang syempre po bago. Alam niyo naman po mga pasero, kahit po gabi yan, pag nakita po na nag-exit na sila, syempre magpipicture. So we also have to wait. We will just give a few minutes for them to enjoy po. Kunwari po, welcome to Macau. Kasi pagbaba po doon, agad meron na tayong mga makikita picture. And then, this tour guide of us will bring you to the bus. And then, yun po yung sinasabi ko, ma-experience niyo po yung bridge. And then, pagdating po dun sa border, nandun pa po rin siya. Hindi po niya kayo iiwanan hanggat hindi po kayo natatapos. Ito na po yung nangyayari ngayon. And then, ang immigration po is like normal immigration, but very, very strict po. Sabi ko nga po, they will not accept who is the last in the list. You have to fall in line. You have to know your number. So for all the passengers you have to take note their number. So para pagdating po doon, ako si number 2, ako si number 3. Sometimes po maghihiwalay yung para hindi na po sila ma-stress, ako yung number 2. Alam na nila. And then sometimes the immigration, pag alam niya na po na group visa, okay na po yun. They will have their separate line. Minsan po 2 lines, minsan po 3 lines, depending on how many bus we have. And then after that po, you will just do the screening of the fingerprint. Yun po. Before po, very, very hard. Katulad po na sinabi ni Sir, very, very long. Bakit po? Because there's a health declaration. Nagiging 2 hours, mostly 3 hours. So pagdating niyo po doon ng 9, usually po 7:40 ang flight namin, right? Gabi. Dadating po kayo doon ng 9. And then, dadalhin po kayo sa border. And then, pipila po kayo. The immigration for the health declaration is different from the immigration entry to the province of China. This is what I've experienced during the first time that meron pa pong health declaration. But, ngayon po, wala na po. So, one immigration lang. Kaya po medyo mas mabilis na po siya ng konti. Tama po yung sinabi ni Sir, na-experience na po yun. Na-experience ko din po yun. Dadating po kami sa hotel ng 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Kasi po, napakahigpit po ng China na security sa immigration. Sobrang higpit po. Of course po, alam niyo naman po kung bakit. And hindi po tayo pwedeng magkagulo doon because meron po tayong assist, yung tour guide po. So after entering, ngayon po simple na. Pipila lang po kayo, and then you will just bring your passport, scan, katulad po na na-experience nila sa Avatar, and then fingerprint, and then okay na po. And then after that, after passing the immigration, nandun na po yung 2 at 3 namin tour guide. After lang po kayo mag-pass. Yes, sir.
I suggest you do the farm trip so that you can bring
Oh,
the
yes, sir.
you can bring the new agents
Oh, yes,
there.
yes.
Yeah,
No problem. Sir Jerry is
especially those who have
very
not
generous.
experienced
Yes,
crossing
sir.
the
Yes,
border.
sir. No problem about
It will be a
that.
very good marketing tools for them
Yes, sir.
to tell their clients ano yung procedures.
Yes.
Invite all the new agents here. Don't worry with the old agents. Oo.
Yes,
Let
sir.
the
Of
old
course,
agents
naman.
die.
We will just have to.
I'm more concerned of the new agents. They're the one who have the potential to sell.
Yes, of course. Kaya nga
The
po
old
kami sir
agents,
nagpunta
never
dito.
mind.
Of
Let them
course.
die.
Sir, baka matakot, baka sabihin na to. Yes, sir. We will have, of course, we want you to experience what we have experienced in Macau, Zhuhai. And of course, we want you to experience the beauty of the province of China. Napakalaki po ng China. Sobrang laki po ng China. Sobrang laki po. Kahit po yung ibang China departure namin, of course, we also have, actually, it's not really a farm tour. If we call it a farm tour, just to make things clear, farm tour, we call it farm tour, if free po talaga lahat. Of course, I never post farm tour. We post interliner. We post agent rate. Kasi po pag farm tour, wala pong bayad. Magbabayad lang po kayo ng tipping.
Farm tour
Farm tour po talaga, as in pure. And most especially, of course, we have to know yung sa dami po ng pasahero ng agents namin, of course, there are selective, minsan po new, we give chances, nakikita niyo po yan sa mga posting ng mga marketing namin. We give chances to everyone. Even po wala po kayong booking sa amin, we invite you in. Marami na po makakapag-testimony na we invite. Wala po kayong booking sa amin, walang problem. Wala pong problem. You can attend, you can get our interliner date like Lana later. I will Sir Jerry will explain. So, again, you can, maybe for August, right? August now, sabi ng boss. Maybe for new agents, old agents, or only Davao. Can go free process. Yun ang gusto mo, sir. Macau. Ken, Macau, Guangdong. So you can see the Canton Tower, everything. Napakaganda po sa China. Marami pa po kayong mapupuntahan. Katulad po ng mga kasama ko pagkahapon. Marami po nag-enjoy po sila. So to continue for the group visa, yun lang po. For the province of China again, one for visa, normally no problem. Or yun po sinasabi kasi ni Sir is Macau, Zhuhai, Macau, Guangdong, Hong Kong, Shenzhen. Yun po yung sinasabi niya before. Sobrang tagal. But for this one, now, very easy. Just you have to fall in line. So, wala pong magiging problem. Fall in line, passport, and then fingerprint, and then security. Okay na po. And then for the Macau, again, going back to Macau for entering province of China. After po the immigration, ando na po yung aming tour guide for the province of China. So, we have different tour guide for Macau. We also have different tour guide for Zhuhai, Guangdong, Shenzhen. We have different tour guide for Hong Kong. We have different tour guide when you enter the province of China. So, hindi po sila parehas. Kaya po, all the hours going there, meron po kayong kasama. So, don't worry po. Yung na-experience mo nila, na-experience ko din po yun. As in po, talagang sobrang tagal. Dahil po sa health declaration. Pag hindi po nagawa yun ng isang pasahero, hindi po kayo agad makakapasok. Dahil po doon. But now, again, very, ano na lang po. Parang konting-konting oras lang po. 15 to 30 minutes, you can already enter China. Okay? For the Beijing, again, group visa, Shanghai, Shangjiajie, Avatar, for that one. At yung iba po naming destination for China. But for the Macau, Zhuhai, Hong Kong, Shenzhen, Guangdong, it is 144 visa. No need to pay. For the group visa, usually 40 USD to 50 USD. Hanggang dati kasi po 80 USD. So, ngayon po 50 USD po. But for the 144, don't worry po. Wala po kayong babayaran for the 144. Okay, good.